Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily import your products in Shopify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Shopify, and when you're going to be here, you want to click on products, and then you're going to see like down the products, export, import. Click on import, and here they want us to see an example. And this is like, let's open Excel online. So this is how it needs to look like. See, title, handle, body, vendor, type, text, published, option, examples. And yeah, this is pretty much how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. And then like upload it here. And then you can like override any current product. So yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.